Carote 11-piece cookware sets, and the colors Taupe. I have been so excited and looking forward to getting this product in the mail. So first off, comes with these, which, let's see, they feel really nice quality, and just look at that color. They're so nice, and they're just sturdy. And then it comes with a ladle, which looks really nice as well. And it comes with this. This is a really nice handle on it. And for the other pieces of the set, open it. So the quality of packaging for these is great. Like you can see, there's the cardboard and then there's bubble wrap. So this is one of the lids, which looks really nice. The handle on it's super nice. And this is one of the smaller pots, I believe. Yeah, so it's just really nice. And these are also supposed to be non-stick, so you can see this one. Super nice. And let's go on to one of the bigger ones. Packaging is so nice. This is one of the bigger ones. This is and I have this size one. It's more rough. There you go. Here's one of the smaller lids. Oh, and it comes with this smaller lid for that smaller pot. That's super cute. I love this design. And then this is the bigger pot, I believe. It's super cute as well. So this is what the bigger pot looks like. And again, just look at that color. It's just so nice. These handles feel so grippy and good. And then here's a smaller frying pan. This is what the smaller frying pan looks like.
Cupcake thinks you should like and subscribe.